Hi, it's Len from LJE Products, and if you're watching this video, it's because you purchased our new magnetic power cord. As you know, in the past, we've had our other premium power cord, and we just made it one step better by putting a magnet interconnect on it. So when you get off your snowmobile, it's just more convenient to plug and unplug. And if you forget to unplug, if you're that person that walks away from your sled and tends to rip the cord off the shield and break the cord or whatever, we've got the solution for you. So we're going to show you in this video how this new cord is installed and some do's and don'ts with the new power cord. So inside the package you get with the magnetic power cord is an insert, and this is a QR code that you've scanned that's brought you to this video where I can show you a little bit about the cord. There's other information on here too, and we do warranty the cords for a year from defects in manufacturing, stuff like that. So what we've done this year with this cord is not only have we added the magnetic connection point, but we've also added our own proprietary RCA jacks. So both the straight one, which is the part that goes in your snowmobile, and you're going to leave this on your sled when you get off the snowmobile, and the short one, which has the right angle, which is designed to work really good with our helmet safety lights and our power interface module. These are all solid metal tips. We actually own the molds that make this stuff. Our engineer at our manufacturer was really thoughtful about making these super strong, and the magnets are also heated. We're going to go over now how to install it real quick. Not much to do, but on this helmet we've already got the USB power interface module, so we're going to just be plugging this connector in to there. We're going to be securing the cable with the cable clamp that's already on the helmet. And this is what you're going to have when you're done. The short part of the cord stays on the helmet. You notice that this has got a spring-loaded tip that connects to the positive inside the magnetic assembly. The outer ring is the negative. And please don't press on these too much, and because they're not very big and they can be bent, so be careful with that connection point. You don't want this one plugged into the snowmobile, because if this happens to touch any part of the metal of the snowmobile, it's going to short out and pop your fuse. This is the piece you put on the snowmobile itself. Now we're going to go over how this is going to work. All right, now you've got our new magnetic cord in your helmet, and you're going to want to power up the snowmobile and make sure everything's working properly. And all you have to do is just pull on this, it's going to come apart. When you get back to the sled, you just got to get it close to it, it's going to connect again. If you forget and walk away from your snowmobile, it's just going to pull right off. It's a pretty strong magnet, and the reason that we heated the magnets on our cord, which is something that nobody else does, is during testing we found that when you get off your snowmobile, this end will drop down in the snow, or if it's snowing out, it's going to get moisture on it. And while you're, let's say, at a restaurant eating and you come back out, well, that's going to be all frozen with moisture on it. And when you go to put these two back together, the connection's not going to be very good. It might not even work at all. So what we've done is when you start the snowmobile, each magnet assembly has its own heaters in it that heat this up to defrost or thaw out the ice that might have built up on the connection. So once you put it together, it only takes a couple of minutes for it to get up to temperature, and you're off riding, and you're not going to have any issues with, even on snowy days or even in rain or freezing rain, with moisture getting in here and freezing that connection, causing it to expand and not make contact. That's why we have our own proprietary heated magnets. So enjoy this thing. It's going to be a great addition to your snowmobiling gear, and we'll see you guys on the trails.